Hi, I'm Apurva Sheth, and today I'm going to talk about India's best trader. Now, I met this trader way back in 2013. He was speaking at an event about farm commodities. He showed various techniques he used to trade farm commodities, and I must say that I was truly impressed with whatever he showed us. Now, one line which sums up his entire trading technique would be boots on the ground and eyes in the sky. Yes, I'm sure that you must have heard these lines before. These lines are from none other than Vijay Bhamwani. You must have heard his videos during this week. Now, at this event, he spoke about a couple of trades that he did recently, and one of the trades which stood out was on in potatoes. Now, West Bengal is the largest producer of potatoes. Now, back in 2012, the cold storage owners who store potatoes were demanding higher prices. But the West Bengal government was reluctant to give those prices. So, what they did was they threw the potatoes on the street. Naturally, the prices of potatoes shot up on the futures exchange. And like all other traders, Vijay also bought potato futures contracts. Now, against everyone's expectations, the potato futures prices started moving lower, and nobody knew the reason for it. Until an ad from a chit fund company emerged in the local newspapers, and that caught the market regulators' attention. So, the ad promised 100% returns to depositors. Now, the market regulator took it very seriously, and like all the normal legal procedures take place, it was ordered that the money which was deposited was money which was invested was supposed to be withdrawn and deposited in an escrow account. So the chit fund companies started selling the potato futures contracts that they were holding, and this drew prices to a sharply lower level. The prices went so low that they were absolutely at an irrational level. A lot of traders were suffering heavy losses, and they started covering their positions. But Vijay took a different stand. Instead of covering his short positions like all the other traders were doing, he decided to tour the local sabji mandis in Mumbai. Potato prices were trading at a level of 20 to 22 rupees per kg in Mumbai, whereas on the futures exchanges it was trading around 6 rupees 50 paise per kg. Now, Vijay knew that this irrationality couldn't last for too long, and ultimately the futures prices would revert to the spot prices, which were trading at a very high level. So, instead of covering his positions, Vijay decided to add on to his earlier existing long positions, and this was the right decision that he took. The potato futures prices moved up as expected, and Vijay exited from his positions at a huge profit. And that's the reason why I call him the India's best trader. Vijay managed to close his positions at a big profit where others were closing their positions at a bigger losses. So, what was the reason behind this? Vijay used his knowledge, experience, and intellect in a right way to trade potato futures. And not only potatoes, Vijay trades each and every commodities ranging from gold, crude, silver, you name it, and he has traded it. So this is just one amongst the many trades that Vijay has taken. Now you could benefit from Vijay's insights too. Well, I can say that I have benefited after interacting with him multiple times, and I am sure that you could benefit from interacting with him too. Now, very shortly, Vijay will be conducting a weekly cash summit, and here he will be revealing his strategies and techniques that he has been building up since the last 30 years. So, I recommend you look forward to it and don't miss a chance to listen to Vijay at this summit. So, that's all from me for today. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.